This is AMD. Here are your price targets for Wednesday. We ended the day at $158.74, up more than 8%. This is where we are. To the north side takes us to 2 standard deviations and another level of resistance and potential take profit area at 162.02, 165.52, and at 4 standard deviations, roughly 169.06. To the south side, at the baseline and support, 154.98. A gap forms to the downside starting at roughly 149.96. Negative 2 standard deviations is roughly 147.89. That gap closes out at 146.68. Negative 3 standard deviations and another level of support and potential buy-in area, 144.18. And at negative 4 standard deviations, 140.82. We have another gap to the south side that takes us out at 138.79. We are not in that channel, not in the zone. Just wanted you to be aware of that and ignore all the horizontal lines. Those lines are pretty much support and resistance lines and some price targets as well. I've been following AMD for quite some time. The RSI is going up. We are about to get overextended, just like over here. When we do, we start to fall down, and I will anticipate this to go up possibly and then fall down as well. But if we hit resistance, I will anticipate a pullback. And looking left, you can see that this gap closed out to the upside at roughly 147.31. Went sideways. We are at resistance, fell down, went sideways again, and then continued to fall, and then went up to, when it goes down, this is support, and when we ride it back up, this turns into resistance. And you can see the bounce at resistance there. And I've traded this multiple times in the past. I sold at one point here at 127.05, sold at 121.85. It was just a slow grind up. It was quite painful, and we had a lot of setbacks too. And I still do own AMD, and I don't know at what price point, but I did buy in here at 110.18 and sold this one off at roughly, well, at 127.05 for a gain of roughly 15% there. Let me flip this over to the 1 hour time frame, and you can see that I have tracked this many times in the past. Hard to see, but we are right here at 158.74, right there on the 1 hour time frame. So our range is to the north side, takes us to roughly 169.70, and to the south side, roughly, if you can see that, 150.17, let's just say. All right, that does it for me. I just wanted to show you AMD and give you some price targets. If there is a ticker you would like me to go over, please let me know. Thanks so much for watching.